Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. It'll take you 1 second. Okay, thank you very much for doing that. Right, basically what we're going to do today, we're going to create a list and we're going to change the values in a list. So let's go Joe. So first of all, I'm going to create a list with names. Okay, I'm going to add some entries in here. Let's say Joe. Okay, so Joe, what's Joe? His job is going to be programmer. Okay, so Joe's a programmer. And who else are we going to have? Let's say Dave. Okay, so Dave's job, Dave's a chef. And the last one, who we're going to have? We're going to have Pete. Pete is a bin man. Okay, so there we go. That's our little dictionary list there. Now I'm going to create a function called change values. So this is my function here, change values. And I'm going to print out some information for the user so they know what's going on. So this is the original list. Okay, I'm going to put that on a new line as well. This is the original list, and then I'm going to print out the original list, which is going to be names. Okay, so far so good. Let's just call it and see that it is actually working, because what I like to do, sometimes I don't get the chance when I'm making videos, but what I would suggest you do is when you're coding is to do a little bit of coding and then test it, do a little bit, test it, do a little bit, test it. That way it saves you finishing your program and spending a lot of time on it and then running it and it's full of errors and you've got to go back and it's painful. So I just run it and test it. Okay, so there we go, invalid syntax. So yeah, just made my first mistake there, whoops. So let's just save that again, let's run it. Okay, there we go, it prints out the dictionary list for us, so we've got all the names there, so we know that's working. Okay, let's proceed a little bit further. So we've done the print names, and now we're going to print another message to the user telling them what's happened or what is going to happen. I'm going to do it on a new line, so I'm going to say new list. Okay, 1, 2, values have changed. So this is going to be the new list and the values have changed. So I'm going to add some new values to this list. So first of all, names. Okay, so let's have a look. We've got Joe. Okay, Joe. So I'm going to say Joe, we've got him, he's not a programmer anymore, he's going to be a playboy. So Joe is a playboy. And names again, these are the ones that I'm going to change. So names, let's have a look. We've got Dave. So Dave, whoops, let's have a look, getting ahead of myself there. Dave is going to be a pilot. A pilot. Let's get it right. A pilot. Dave's going to be a pilot. Okay, and the last one, names. Let's have a look. The last one is going to be Pete, and Pete is going to be a gardener. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to print the new list of names. So names. Okay, let's just save it first. Let's run the program. And let me just stretch that out so you can see. So we've got the original list of names there, and now we've got the new list, and we've changed the values in them. See, so Joe now is a playboy, Dave is a pilot, Pete is a gardener. So there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope that's been useful to you, and remember to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you've not done it already. And now it's time to go, so I will catch you in another video. So bye.